Imagine the most powerful king in history entering his capital city. You'd expect a gold chariot and an army, right? On Palm Sunday, Jesus did the exact opposite. The crowd was shouting, "Hosanna," which literally translates to "Save us now." But they were looking for a military general to overthrow Rome. Jesus chose a donkey. In the ancient Near East, a king arriving on a horse meant war. A king arriving on a donkey meant peace. People didn't just wave branches, they laid their cloaks on the muddy road. In that culture, your cloak was your identity and your most valuable possession. Laying it down was a sign of total surrender. The irony of Palm Sunday. The crowd cheered for a king who would kill their enemies. Instead, they got a king who would die for his enemies.